As a challenge for third, trying to get to the inside right now, the root beer gold-colored lawnmower. That's the 49 of Kevin. Number 3 spot here in the first heat. Halfway point down by in our heat number 1 for the lawnmowers. And the battle still raging for third as 3 lawnmowers down entry to get that third spot. Holding on is the number 54 of Anthony Lasker. After the 49 of Kevin Ferracci. And to go. And a challenge for the lead. Look at this. Sharice right up alongside Gary Gallo. Sharice trying to show wheel to the inside. It looks like the 51 is going to shut the door on the charge. Gary called in by Sharice Washburn and the 54 of Anthony Lasker. And the checkers are on heat number 1. He'll immediately challenge for the lead. The 29 about ready to lose that covenant spot. Eric Munoz is going to go down as the 3 goes by. Tommy Kent, he's got his helmet cam running. Tommy is a halfway point. The Antoine Lawnmower looking to run away here in heat number 2. He's going to be in that A main. He's most likely going to go to the fast main event. Caution is out for the 12E of Eric Forma. Interstate Boundary, Mid-Auto Electric, Leschwab Tire, and Olson Fabrication helping the 12E. Caution was out in turn number 4, green flag conditions now. Leader, the number 3 of Tommy Kent. Two to go that time by. The 420 currently in second place is Danny Christensen. The 12E is a lap down, and the 64 trying to get by. The number 64 of Wyatt Phillips trying to move on another spot on the podium here. 2 laps to go. White flag comes out. That time by for the leader of Tommy Kent. The 64 unable to get by the 420. For our winner, Tommy Clanton. I'm dead serious. I think I have $7 on me. How about we start a donation pile? Who would put in money to see a bucket load of goo on that guy? You know, because right now we could be watching the super stock mud boggers go, but instead, yeah. His 15 minutes of fame. Next class coming up, the Super Stock class. Super Stock class, those with modified entries, like my buddy Tiny. All right, give the number 69 a round of applause. Hey, don't forget the Arrowhead Club has got the coldest beer at the fair. They have 33-degree beer. It's an